Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Roadrunner email account. First step, you want to search for ROADRUNNER email login. Once you search for it, now before moving forward, I just want to make it clear. Roadrunner is now known as Spectrum, alright? So in the past, it was known as Roadrunner. You don't have to worry about it. Right now, as well, it's known as Roadrunner, but now its main original name is Spectrum. Its secondary name is Roadrunner. It also says over here, Spectrum Webmail Login TWC and Roadrunner email over here. So don't worry about it, alright? Its secondary name is Roadrunner. Most people know it about Spectrum, so don't get confused when I show Spectrum over here. And before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, once you search for Roadrunner email login, you click on this over here and it's going to take you to login page of Roadrunner. It's going to say Spectrum, as I said, main name Spectrum, secondary Roadrunner, all right? Once you're over here, you need to enter your email address. So enter the email address of your Roadrunner account. After you enter the email address of your Roadrunner account over here, you need to tick mark remember email address. Now, what ticking mark this does is every single time you come to Spectrum, your email address is going to be remembered by the website. And in order to log in into your account, you can just enter your password. You don't have to remember your email address. That's what ticking mark this does. If you don't want the website to remember your email, you can uncheck this, all right? So where it says email password, you need to enter the password of your Roadrunner email account or your Spectrum email account. After you do that, you want to tick mark I'm not a robot. Once you get this tick mark, it basically verifies you're a human. You're not a bot who's trying to sign up into Spectrum and trying to do anything suspicious. If you get this tick mark, you can click on sign in and you should be able to log in into your Roadrunner email account. And if you forgot the password of your, Roadrunner or like your Spectrum, you can click on forgot email password. And if you by some reason forgot the email itself, you can click on forgot email address. It's going to help you recover your email address over here. You just need to have access to the backup things which you guys set up when you guys lose your email, what you need to do in order to recover it. When you create your account, it's going to show you how you guys can do that. Make sure you have access to the backup thing which is set up for this, all right? So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.